Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here. I'm here with Mr. Labidul Haq. He helped me on the SVR project. Thank you for that.
No worries.
Hi guys, so this is my first car. This is a Golf 2009 I mean, Mark 6 DSG version 7 speed gearbox 1.4. And yeah, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's a rear cup missing. We'll sort that out. We've got one, but it's broken. So yeah.
You need to make sure you go and like the video.
Yeah man, make sure you do that. That's my new exhaust system. Go watch that video. It should be up after this probably, or before this, I don't know. And because it says TSI, it's a turbo. Because it's only I, it's only a turbo one. If the S and I is red, then it's a supercharged and turbo. But this one's just a turbo model. You get TDI as well. So this one, TSI is petrol, TDI is diesel. As you can see, this is the other side. I guess give you a side view of the car. Still too close. There's a side view of the car.
You can see my rims.
Yeah, these are nice rims.
Like, what's it on?
New
rims right here.
This is the front of the car, guys. Looks very sexy. This one has the reverse camera as well, everything.
Oh, we have
It's got the parking sensors, it's got the headlight washers, fog lights, everything. This one's a high spec model. Show you the boot. So as you can see, the boot is very spacious. As you can see, I've got loads of shit in there. It's still got loads of space. It's got this cubby here to hold shit with. Got a power socket there if you want to put a plug-in thing in there. That's not bad.
You want to show them what's under that hood, boss?
What hood? Oh shit. Okay.
Show them
I was thinking of changing these, by the way. So it automatically opens when I press the key. But yeah. Right, he's popped the hood now for me. We'll have a look underneath. These mirrors fold in. They got puddle lights underneath as well, and the indicators on it.
Are you ready?
Yeah. These have self-latching on, so you don't have to put it on and then hold itself up. So this is the engine. As you can see, it's a very big, nice engine.
Very nice.
1.4.
As you can see.
And yeah, we cleaned that with some black product. I can't remember, but it looks pretty brand new. And yeah, the coolant goes in there. You got your engine coolant as well. No, your coolant. That's your coolant. That's your fluid. Yeah, that's your engine oil in there. That's your engine. That's your engine cover actually. Then you got 4 pistons underneath. There's your air filter hole. There's your battery. I'm not sure what goes in there, but it looks like some sort of electricals.
Oh, that's the battery for the squad wanting to know.
Yeah, that's the battery. But what's this one? I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. Gonna let him start the car, and then you can hear what it sounds like. He's gonna rev it a bit, just a tiny bit, because it is very late at the night. But it's UK summertime, so it's bright. It's around 10ish at the moment. Because it's turbo, you'll hear the turbo. Okay. Alright guys, there's your rev there. I'm going to put the engine back on now. Right, put this back on. Okay, we'll show you the interior now. Could you please stop the car, please, sir? So I can restart it.
Sorry, are you pulling me over?
Shut the fuck up and get out.
I'm alright. What? Bitches the fuck.
Excuse me, sir. Fucking bastard.
Oh,
okay, please stop. Please get it out, please. Thank you, sir. Alright guys, this is the interior of the car. Got the RNS 510 or something like that. 510 is the one with the... What is that? 510 is the one with the... Oh, they've gone actually. It's not that bad. Yeah. Basically, we got the... This is the RNS 510. Well, it's not 510, it's something like that. But the 510 has the nav button, but this one doesn't. So, I don't know which model it is. It's 500 and something. But yeah. As you can see, we've already started doing some upgrades. We got the LED lights in. These got mirror validity lights. This one's a bit cracked, so we changed that. So we're going to change that out. Got the footwell lights down there. These ones have been changed too. Let's have a look at them. As you can see, they're all LEDs. Bam. Watch the video of how to change them. I'll start the car now. So you put the key in there. You have to have a foot on the brake when you start it. As you can see. That's nice. Okay, so this car has auto lights, so that's really good. If you don't have it, you can get it put in anyway. You need a sensor though. This one came with it because it's high spec model. I believe it's the TSI model is basically the one below the GTI, I think. The base GTI. So yeah. So you get the steering wheel with it, because normally the steering wheel doesn't come with it. It's a multifunctional display. Multifunctional display there. Multifunctional steering wheel. So there you got the buttons. And because I don't have the Bluetooth module or phone connected, he just mutes it. So that's not good. That's a pretty good feature, to be honest, in my opinion. You got the call buttons there, all that stuff to control that screen there. You can control your sound volume. We've got the aux as well. This should have Bluetooth, but the person who had this car before me, he stole the module from under the seat.
Innit?
The bastard. But yeah, what can we do?
Like donate one, go for it.
Alright, so this one has 45,000 miles, which is very low, to be honest. Very rare, to be honest, because it's a very old car. It's 10 years old. It turned 10 years old in May, so it's 10 years old at the moment. And we checked all the mileage and stuff. There's no problems with it. It's also VOSA, I don't know how you say it, VOSA verified. So these miles are genuine. So that's good. I'm still trying to figure out how to change that to miles per hour. I know how to do it. You have to do it with this, but I can only do it when I'm driving. At the moment, I've not got my license yet. It's on the way, so I'll be alright. So yeah, this is a 7-speed DSG gearbox, as you can see, park, reverse, neutral, blah blah blah. This also have the Diptronic thingy, so you can put it to the side, go up a gear, down a gear. Then if you put into sport mode, what you will do will normal driving. When it's in normal drive, you'll just go up to about 4,000 RPMs, and then it'll change gear. This one will go all the way past 5 or 5.5. It'll hold the revs higher for you, and you'll go a lot more. You go faster basically and better. Yeah, it'll be louder too. So yeah, it's no problem. It's a very economical car as well. Yeah, this one comes with heated seats, as you can see. I don't know if it's stalled as well, so we'll have to check. I'm joking. Alright, yeah, so that comes with heated seats. AC works as well. I was surprised for a 10-year-old car. Maybe it's got regas in the past, but it works really well. So yeah, this is the display. You get Bluetooth, SD card, CD. It's a 6 CD changer. Let me just show you that. So you can put 6 CDs in. It just switches them around in there, and yeah, we're probably going to change this to the RCD 340, I think, which is the Android Auto version. But I have to get all the connectors right, because I need my reverse camera to work with this. So I need the adapter sets properly. And I'm also thinking of changing this to a GTI, the Mark 7 GTI one, because that's really nice. And for some reason, this has more value. This steering wheel has more value than the Mark 7 one. Because people like this one, I don't know why. But yeah, okay. Auto dimming mirrors, as you can see. They dim when too bright at the back. It's a 5-door version. We've got the stuff there. Got cup holders back there. Cup holders here. We've got the opener there. That's the original one. It wasn't included with the car, but I bought it myself, so why not? Got the handbrake there. Okay, OBD11, because I wanted to do some hacking. Okay, so let's put the park thing on. There you go. As you can see, it's telling me behind me. It's got that as well, because you need it for parking sensors. You got the traction control shit there. Okay, these fans are good as well. I've changed the filter recently, so it's pretty much brand new. And yeah, it's a very good car. I like it so far. And yeah, as you can see, these lights are pretty bright. I was thinking of changing them, but there's no point really at the moment, because it's pretty damn bright. And I like these indicators, as you can see. Okay guys, we have folding mirrors as well. Show you that. Very advanced car, by the way, guys. This also comes with a automatic park, like it'll park for you, but this car doesn't have it. It's added external. You can get it added in now, like retrofit. All I need is a steering column thing for it, which is about £400. It's not bad if it's going to park itself and do everything for you. If you want that, then get it. It's heated mirrors as well. Got all 4 electric windows at the back too. And the speakers are really good on this, but I can't play any songs because it'll be copyright. But they're really good. Shut the hell up. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Mr. Labidul Haq, for the Snapchat SVR project. Add me on Snapchat. I'll be doing some more videos on the car, a lot of videos, mainly upgrades, and then I'm gonna do, from now on, I'm gonna do more car videos in general. So you'll be seeing a lot more of them, mainly driving and stuff. I'll do a car review of the driving of this as well. At the moment, when I drove back from wherever it was, where was it? Bradford. It was very good drive, very fast as well. It's rapid, and petrol wise, it was decent. Not gonna lie, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.
10, Mr. Reader, like.
I'll give you a 9.5.
Alright.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.